Good morning, students. I am Dr.R.Suganya, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity. Today we are going to see about the host-based intrusion prevention system and security information management system. So, how we can prevent the uh, some intrusions that has been happening in the host, that is our desktop. Okay. So, what is this HIPS? It is host based intrusion prevention system. It is a security solution installed on individual hosts or endpoints. Its purpose is to monitor and prevent malicious activities on the host. It works at the host level, unlike NIPS, which monitors the network as a whole. NIPS is Network Intrusion Prevention Systems. Okay, so how we can prevent the intrusions? So HIPS is a security solution installed on individual host and it works at the host level. So what is the architecture and how we can manage it? So the HIPS architecture overview: agent on host, software that monitors activities on the host. Database: it contains signatures of known threats and rules for detection. Response engine: takes automated actions when malicious activity is detected. Management console: it provides administrators with a central interface for monitoring and configuration. Okay, so how we can prevent? By having the signatures of the threats, and we can detect by saving that in the database. So whenever it has been saved, so it will detect if it is matches with the malicious, and it will take actions against the particular systems. So it provides administrators with a central interface for monitoring and configuration. So it will monitor and will give some alerts. So this is the where threat has happened in the particular host. So signature based versus behavior based detections. So detection techniques in HIPS, that is signature based detection. How we can, that is the patterns of the particular applications or the users. It relies on the database of the known attack patterns. So effective against known threats but limited against new ones. Anomaly based detections: it identifies deviations from normal host behavior. It is capable of detecting zero-day attacks. Benefits of HIPS. So what will be the benefits? It protects against insider threats including unauthorized file modifications or system misuse. It works even if the host is disconnected from the network. It provides detailed insights into the source of an attack. Can prevent a wide range of attacks like malware, rootkits, and unauthorized access. Limitations of HIPS: it can be resource intensive, affecting host performance. It requires frequent updates to signature database. It is limited in detecting attacks that happens outside the host. It is possible false positives or negatives if rules are not properly configured. Use cases of HIPS. Servers. Critical servers benefits from HIPS as it provides in-depth protection at the host level. End user devices. HIPS can safeguard laptops, desktops, and mobile devices. Cloud environments. HIPS can be used in virtual machines and cloud based services to protect workloads. So, compliance, and that must meet compliance standards like PCI, DSS, or HIPA. So that is the thing when we can use this HIPS. So, in the servers, end user devices, cloud environments. Okay, so that can be used mainly as it is virtual machines where to protect when large amounts of database is available. So intrusions happen. So that time we need the prevent systems. So popular HIPS tools are available like Symantec Endpoint Protection, McAfee Host Intrusion Prevention System, Tripwire, so Force Intercept X. So these are the tools, and the logos, images are available. So HIPS versus network based intrusion protection systems, that is monitors, protects. What is the basic difference means? HIPS actually monitors and protects individual host only, but here NIPS it monitors the network, the whole network, and HIPS it prevents threats on the device itself. And it is better for insider threats. In NIPS it is more suitable for detecting and preventing attacks before they reach the host. Okay. So case study. So HIPS in action. So briefly it presents a real world case where HIPS help prevention a cyber attack. So explain how this HIPS detected the threat and the actions it took to prevent that particular damage. So highlight the importance of using HIPS in specific environments and give some examples for protecting critical infrastructures or financial data. Okay, so this will be the case that is given for your analysis, and this will be your assignment topic. And conclusion, so HIPS is a crucial layer of defense that provides in-depth protections to individual hosts. While it has its limitations, it is effective in preventing various host-specific threats and complements network intrusion-based solutions like NIPS. And HIPS is essential for securing servers, end-user devices, and environments where granular protection is needed. So here is all the thing, the IDS, the firewall, the router, where we are using the networks. In networks, we have lots of host-based systems, and intrusion detection systems happens, and the alert is given to the administrator. And so we, where the firewall is one of the prevention techniques, checks the incoming and outgoing packets of the systems, and the router that is it receives particular messages from the cloud, and that will be the intermediate between, so which side the particular preventions happens. So the firewall detects on both the sides, so in order to prevent the particular intrusions. So there are some MCQs. What is the primary function of a host-based intrusion prevention system? Which of the following is not a feature of HIPS? How does a signature-based HIPS detect threats? Which of the following is a limitation of HIPS? Which type of attack is best detected by anomaly-based HIPS? The answers are given, and this will be like your test your brain. Thank you.